Good day, everybody. This is Nell Carroco again, and today is a reading recommendation day. Okay, I received an email from Sivse, and I got this lovely magazine, e-magazine. So, guys, if you're not yet subscribed with the Sivse, go and check this one. So, if you go and click the read now, it will goes here. This SLL Lightlines magazine is a society's bi-monthly magazine. It includes carefully curated content on an array of different lighting topics from ongoing research projects to industry awards, competitions, and events. And if you go down here, you can click it and then it will go here to their magazines. Amazing. Look at this one. So it's an e-magazine. And there are so less pages here, and this is the article that I always read. This is from Alan Tula. It's about the basics of lighting design, or the basic of lighting. Alan Tula is always a contributor for the lighting magazine. Okay, so just scroll it, you can zoom it out and then click the pages by this. Glowing colors. This topic is for landscaping. This is good because I'm working in a landscaping company right now, but I don't think this colorful landscape is a recommendation for me. Maybe for the facade, but not for the landscaping. I'm not sure yet. So this is so reddish. I don't think they will love it. Okay, so what else do we have here? Turning the clock. I think this is all about the lighting control. Yes. Or this is about the LED strip. Okay. Okay, guys, go and check this one. Maybe you love to read these articles. And yeah. So how to go and check this? Don't forget to check the SLL Lightlines magazine. Subscribe here so you can receive an email marketing from them every month. Okay, so there you go. Enjoy reading. I will recommend more books and magazines later on. Oh, by the way, they also have this previous publications. Maybe you want to check this. Let's go for the 2023. Okay, and let's try March and how it looks. There you go. Very nice. Okay, go and check this one, guys. I'm sure you will learn a lot of things in this magazines. So this is one of the best way for you to get updated on what is happening in the lighting industry. Okay, so yeah, go and check. See you again on the next video. Bye.